We got one. We get the money. We get the money. We get the moolah. We get the moolah. We get the peso. We get the peso. We get the netto. We get the netto. We get the skrilla. We get the skrilla. We hit the lotto. We hit the lotto. We get the bread.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just wanted to give you guys a little insight on me making this Ayurvedic rinse for my hair. So the herbs that I've used in this Ayurvedic rinse, I'm gonna just add some more water to this. Hold on. Okay, so I put some more water in there. The herbs that I used is the wormwood herb. I've used the bamboo extract. I have used the lavender buds, which smells so good. Oh my god, it smells so good. I have used Amla. I have used horsetail. And I'm going to add some aloe vera juice in there once it cools down. So this is kind of what it looks like. I've got it down pretty low. Got it down pretty low. So yeah, you guys, this is what it looks like. I'll probably add a couple of more things in there. I might also add a few oils to it. But what I'm gonna do is once it cools down, I'm gonna put it in my little spray bottle, and I'm basically going to use that as, you know, a spritz to my hair. Now you could also use this as a tea and just rinse your hair, like after your wash. Rinse it with your hair and seal it in with like maybe a leave-in conditioner. So just wanted to give you guys that. Thank you guys for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you until next time.